Hello, welcome to my channel. Today is facial day and I am going to film a facial right in front of the sunset, hence the glow. But my skin is dull. It is a little dry right now and my locks are flourishing though. Let's talk about it. They have grown so much and I'm just so happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap them up first. Just to get them out of my way. And I want to show you guys before we begin this body butter that I'm using from Bath and Body Works. It has shea butter, cocoa butter, and it's very rich in moisture. Look how glowy my skin is. It's not for the face, but definitely for body. And just look at the radiance. It's literally amazing. You can get it for $5 when they go on sale. So to begin, we're going to start with the cleansing. I'm using the hydrating gel cleanser from Peach and Lily. Just taking a little bit onto already damp skin. I'm rubbing into circular motions. I love this cleanser because of the dryness of my skin. It doesn't strip extra moisture from my skin. It cleanses, but I also feel hydrated. My skin feels supple after. It does deeply cleanse, so it goes into the pores, and I don't feel tight after washing my face. It has chamomile, so it's very calming. It has antioxidants to fight any free radicals. To be honest with you, Peach and Lily is one of my favorite brands. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, they are very environmentally conscious, and so I pretty much use a lot of their products. And this one is a pH balancing cleanser as well, so it's really healthy all the way around, and great for even sensitive skin types. And next, I'm gonna go into my exfoliation with Winky Lux, the Orange You Bright Exfoliator. It is a vitamin C exfoliator, so it does brighten, it smooths the complexion, it nourishes the skin, it leaves the skin glowing, and it has lactic acid, so it gently removes any dead skin cells. With this product, I would definitely be a little bit more gentler when applying it just because of the grainy consistency. It can be too harsh if you are scrubbing hard. So just gently rubbing it around the face. This is my favorite cleanser. As you guys can see, it's almost gone. I mean, favorite exfoliator, you can see it's almost gone. It literally brightens and it makes me look so good. And you'll see the results of how much my skin is glowing even without putting moisturizer after. After toning, I like to apply this Peach and Lily essence. This is a great prep for allowing the rest of the products that I place on my skin to adhere and to work at maximum capacity. This is extremely hydrating. It has hyaluronic acid, so it plumps my skin, it radiates my skin, and I apply this all over my body, to be honest with you. It allows any product that I place that's hydrating to just apply extra hydration. Again, I'm extremely dry. Like, I drink a lot of water, but my skin is always dry. So this really just helps to add maximum hydration, and it also has antioxidants, so it helps with aging, helps with inflammatory, and it also helps with free radicals. Now, this Peach and Lily Original Glow Sheet Mask is so amazing. I, again, tend to use any product that is hydrating, but this product is so great because it is a perfect blend of anti-aging, hydration, and brightening botanicals that help with AHAs, that gives radiance and bouncy skin. It has ginseng, peptides, hyaluronic acid, again AHA, so it pretty much fights any concern that you have, whether that's premature aging, dryness, dullness, loss of firmness, wrinkles, fine lines, oiliness, pores, redness, sensitivity, acne. So it hydrates, calms the skin, brightens visibly, it prevents signs of aging, provides bouncy skin, plumps your skin, firms the appearance of your skin, does everything. Okay, gently exfoliates, protects from free radicals. So you can pretty much see why this is one of my favorite sheet masks. You leave it on for 15 to 25 minutes, and whatever is remaining on the sheet mask or outside of it, as you like press it in, whatever moisture you feel, I like to just gently glide it all throughout my skin, and I begin to sweep this product down my neck, onto my chest, and even putting it onto my shoulders and down my arms, just to provide extra hydration, not just to my face but throughout my body as well. And let's just take a moment to admire that sunset before I take off this sheet mask. So beautiful. And you can see the radiance here. Look at that. Skin glowing, looking good, honey. Okay. So I'm just gonna gently pat the rest of this into my skin and begin to work it into the rest of my body. And I would suggest keeping the remainder of the moisture that's inside of your sheet mask when you use one, because it can act as an essence. It can act as additional hydration. It can act as additional product. So don't throw those sheet masks away. Use the rest of that moisture that's inside of that package. And I'm just going to continue to just wipe the remaining of the product, rub it into my skin, on my arms, and throughout my hands as well. And you can see just how hydrating and glowy my skin looks with that golden glow. Come on, son. Got me looking good. Now I'm going to take my Bad Habit eye cream that has caffeine and peptides. It hydrates, firms, and brightens the under eye. This is a great eye cream. I use this for regular skincare usage, and even when I'm doing makeup on myself or my clients. I love the brightening effect that it has, and I love the hydration. It's perfect. I got it at Morphe when they had their store here in Rancho Cucamonga, but I'm pretty sure you could find it online, so check it out. This barrier repair nourishing moisturizer from Pericle MD is my staple moisturizer. It feels so smooth when I apply it, and my skin after feels so supple. It has a softening effect that helps with skin elasticity. It helps fight fine lines and wrinkles. It even reduces the redness in your skin. So if you have any issues with sensitivities, this is the perfect moisturizer for you if you find yourself dealing with needing to balance the moisture in your skin. So I would definitely purchase this at your local Sephora or Ulta and make it your staple as well. And next I'm applying my facial spray with aloe, chamomile, and lavender, soothing, hydrating, provides antioxidants, vitamin C, and fights free radicals. This I put on before I do my Gua Sha. So I'm just applying this up and down my face, starting from the bottom all the way up, so that I can tighten my skin. It firms it. I don't know if you'll be able to see the difference. Looks a little bit more plump on the right side there, but as I sweep it up the face, it starts to tighten a lot more than it did before. This is also a great way to give yourself like a lymphatic drainage massage. It'll really help reduce swelling and inflammation. And I purchased this product on Amazon, so I'll put the link in the description if you're interested. And it does the same thing to the jawline as well. Anytime you feel as though you look a little plump under the jawline and you want it to look more sculpted, you can take this Gua Sha into the crease of the tool and just sweep it up into the ear, and this will drain any fluid that is in your lymph nodes, and causing your jawline to look a lot more tighter than it did before. And with that being the last step in my skincare routine, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me get my glasses back on because I'm blind, okay? Okay, that's better. I can see now. All right. So that is it with this video. I just hope and encourage you to start your own skincare routine. And if you need any assistance, please feel free to reach out to me. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the video.